Okay, back to work. It'll be a short stream today because I have like work tomorrow. So, uh, yeah, I started this stream without planning on what I intend to do actually. So let me think. I think I am going to work on some visual feedback. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna try doing. So I think the feedback that is most lacking is the ghost key. Alright, let me just see if... Let me just play like level 94 and we'll see how it looks at the moment. You can see that this is the main key that we have to collect, and this is the ghost key. Ghost key representing the next key that will appear once I collect the first key. It goes like this. Oh crap, touch the spike. Right, and it's not... The way this key appears is not very... It's not obvious enough, I think. It's not obvious enough. What can be done? Hello Hannah, hello, how's it going? Just going to try to get a little bit of work done before I rest for the night and prepare for tomorrow's work. But how's your day? How's your day? Yeah, sleep is very important, that is true. Oh crap. Let me just get this key first. There we go. Your day was boring as always. 2 more months till uni. Ah man, make use of that time to play as much as you can before before university starts. It's gonna be busy. Busy. But it's also going to be really fun because you will have a game project every single semester. I think that's the most enjoyable part for me. Oh goodness. Water went down the wrong pipe. Excuse me. Oh goodness. Sorry, water went down the wrong pipe. Was it individual? No. All of the game projects are group work. Excuse me. All of the game projects are teamwork. So it's very important to do proper task allocation. Hopefully your team members are nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the thing, right? Like, if you have a team member that is not able to that's not able to what do you call that, pull their weight, and then you the rest of the team will kind of have to put in more effort. Yeah. Yeah, I'm okay. Hey yo, Galactic Chim, what's up? Oh yeah, I see that video. Chicken virus. I was drinking water and it went down the wrong pipe. Goodness. So how's your day, Galactic Chim? I need more feedback for this. I got to go your outside. Oh, okay, okay. Thanks for dropping by, man. Thanks for that world record video. The key is really lacking feedback. No, the way the key appears. Not sure what to do about that. Hannah, do you know of anyone else going to the same course as you? Is there anyone else? What can I do for this? Oh my goodness. Oh wait, you're taking a art degree, right? Maybe it might be a bit different for you. Maybe your game projects don't come in until a bit later. Wait, I don't remember how it's like for art students. Okay, anyways, what can I do for feedback? I mean, I can do the usual where I just draw a circle, but drawing a circle outwards is kind of like the effect for collecting a key, so I want to use a different one. What if I just what if I just twin an arrow downwards like that? Just twin it downwards. Yeah, you know what, I'm gonna try that. Pixel edit time. Yeah, let me just export this. Let's see what happens. Ghost key indicator. Let's try that. Sucked at my own level. There we go. Oh crap. Crap. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's do that effect. Hey Lucius, what's up? Hannah was here earlier. I'll be doing a short one. I want to rest a bit earlier today. So how was your day? Oops, what did I just do? Ta 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 ta. Maybe I'll create a new object for this indicator here. Maybe I'll do that. Let's see. Simple short stream today. O_. Key to indicator. Terrible naming sense, I know. Okay, so what I'm thinking of doing is I want this arrow. Right, I want this arrow, right, which will point to the key, right? I want it to be like rotating, or rather flipping in the spiral, you know, downwards towards the key. I want to try doing that. Let me think. Okay, I guess a quick and easy way would be to use the sine function. I think a sine function could work. How did I do it for the confetti? Let me check. Oh, all I did was M scale. I did something like this. I guess I will just copy this, right? I guess that works. Bum, 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 bum. Hello, Captain Blade. Hello. How's it going? How's your day? Did you get any work done on your game? Rotate direction, rotate speed. Rotate direction, there you go. Ah. M scale. Pretty good, you work on the logo a little bit. Nice. Nice. I'm at the moment I'm trying to work on like giving the game better feedback. It's one of the problems I realized with the what's that mechanic? I guess I'll call it the ghost key mechanic, right? The one where you have to collect the key in sequence. One of the problem with that is that I don't have like very good feedback for when displaying where the next key is. Wait, not this one. I have a problem with this, right? So this is the ghost key. This is the one that will appear next. When I collect it, right, there isn't any feedback. It just appears. So it's not very clear where the next one will be. If anything, right, I think when collecting this key here, when collecting the first key, I think the player's eye will be drawn towards this key instead of this key. So I kind of need to fix that. Yeah. Yeah, so I was thinking the way to go about fixing that would be to just render an arrow. Just render an arrow and then have it twin downwards towards the key. Yeah, and then have it disappear shortly after. Just thinking of doing that. Hopefully that works. I could do a big flash when the key appears. Ah, that's possible too. Yeah, I could do that. I can like draw a circle, right? Draw a circle that scales up when the key appears. Now I'll try this arrow thing first. Then we'll see how that goes. Yeah, the circle scaling up thingy. I thought about that as well. But I kind of already have a circular effect when I collect the keys. So I was thinking like, I mean, how do I make it different? Do I do the nuclear? No, not nuclear throne. Do I do the super crate box thing where I can just fill a circle, snap it on top of the key for like a split second, and then make it disappear? Guess that could work also. But in any case, I'll try this out first, and then we'll see how that goes. So maybe I don't do the rotating animation first. I'm going to try doing the twin fire thing. Is there a sound effect for the key appear? Oh, at the moment there's no sound effect. So I'll have to work on that as well. I've almost forgotten about that. Thanks, man. Thanks for reminding me. I'll have to do that. I'm still missing a few sound effects. Yeah, gotta get that done before I release the next build. Let me do the offset Y. Offset Y first. Oops. Draw sprite. EXT. Draw sprite EXT. Sprite index. Oops. Sprite index. Cut spell index. 0 x y. Image x scale. Image y scale. Image anchor. So much to type. Image blend. Oh my goodness, I can't spell. Image alpha. There we go. So many things. But what I want to do is actually this. M offset y. There we go. For some reason, it's been taking pretty long for you to add and finalize rooms and level to your game. You mean like the design is taking a long time? Ooh, what kind of like what kind of trouble are you facing? To be honest, I take a long time as well to make my levels. Sometimes I end up scrapping them as well. At the moment, you're doing the first area tutorial. Ah. You're having trouble matching the ambience with the game elements. Ambience with the game elements. Oh, or the visual side of things. Teaching controls, enemies, etc. Right. Metroidvania is hard to design for, right? Metroidvania is pretty hard to design for. Like, how do you account for the fact that the game is non-linear? Right? How do you prevent or maybe even encourage, you know, players to sequence break? Twin mode once. Delta is true. One of these days I want to try making a Metroidvania as well. One of these days. Okay, 1 second. Property being this one. Yeah, that's pretty hard to get. I forgot how to chain. I forgot how to chain the twins. How do I do it? I forgot. Oh dear. How do I chain it? Twin GMS. Documentation. Open in Explorer. Might go with a more linear approach. You're not sure about that though. If going for a more linear approach gets the game done, then I guess that's worth it. Even Metroid, there are some Metroid game that is a bit more linear than the rest, right? Like Metroid Fusion was significantly more linear than say Super Metroid. But I still love it. I think the thing about Metroid Fusion that feels so different from say Super Metroid is that in Metroid Fusion you always have a goal, like the AI keeps giving you orders, right? Like, oh no, you have to go to this sector, this room, and so on and so forth. So you always have an objective. So in that sense it feels more linear, but it also feels more... There's a sense of urgency in Metroid Fusion. And they got you used to going from like objective to objective. And so it really takes the player by surprise when all of a sudden, you know, like while you're trying to accomplish that one objective, like you're trying to go to sector 2, but for some reason while you're on your way there, you know, there's this power failure and then you're trapped somewhere and all of a sudden your objective changes. I love that. I love that. The part that is the hardest for you is that the ambience is the beginning. In the beginning is a bit spooky and meant to make the player wonder about the world they have entered, and having the text say press this to jump kind of ruins it. You're right. You're right. Yeah, I can. You're right. I can see that happening. Hey, 1 AM train, hello. How's it going? Thanks for dropping by again. How's it going? I'm just doing like minor polishing. What was I gonna do again? Oh right, I wanted to read the documentation. Where is it actually? Eh? It's not here. Extensions? No? Where do I open this? Oh. You're good? Ah, that's great to hear. Yeah, I'm doing okay as well. Just trying to do a little bit before I go to sleep and prepare for work tomorrow. I've been making a lot of sound effects. Nice. What kind of what tools do you use to make your sound effects? Or do you like record them? Twin fire. Documentation is not finished yet. There we go. The documentation is a text file. No, I need this script reference, this one. Got it. There we go. It might be worth getting rid of the text and putting in visual representation for the key that is meant to be pressed. And make the player experiment with that key. Yeah, that could work too. Make it part of the game, right? That could work. FL Studio with Serum is a plugin used by a lot of musicians in general. It's like a synthesizer but cooler. Ooh, you're a composer. That's awesome, man. Nice. You uploaded a sound bundle on your Twitch. Oh, okay. I'll check it out. Do you have a... Wait, I think I have a link to your Twitch. I'll be sure to check that out. No, did I say Twitch? I mean each. I can't even pronounce word properly now. Hang on, just a moment. Just a moment. It looks so cool. I love the logo here. I downloaded this. I've yet to try it. I'll play it when I find the time. Butcher Bunny. Nice. Sound. Oh, this one? Horror sounds. Nice. Oh wait, that should follow. There we go. Nice. Thanks for sharing, man. Horror Sounds Volume 1. Thanks for sharing. I noticed your game seems to be horror themed. Are you a fan of horror? It has like 50 sounds, but you made 200, so there's definitely more to come. Nice. Awesome. You love horror. Nice. Oh, what are some of your favorite horror games? What's my opinion on it? I like horror games. But at the moment I don't really play that many horror games. I think I don't know. I guess as I get older, I tend towards a game that is not so stressful. but I still play them. I play I played long time ago. I played Eternal Darkness, which is super cool. But more recently, I played the Resident Evil 2 remake. Game dev wise, I see. Game dev wise, I have yet to try making a horror game. I want to. The very first game. How do I put it? When I decided to study game development, the very first idea that I wanted to make a reality was actually a horror game, but I've never gotten around to making it. Yeah, one of these days I want to try making a horror game. You love horror games as a challenge to get more easygoing with scares, but you love Nun Massacre by Puppet Combo. Nun Massacre? Never heard of it. Let me check. Puppet Combo. Nun Massacre. Whoa. That looks creepy. And the inventory looks very old school, almost like old school Tomb Raider. That's cool. You look forward to my horror games. Hey, thanks, man. I'll try to get it done one of these days. Yeah, I'm starting small. I'm trying to finish more small projects first, so that eventually I would have built up enough of a toolset to pursue a bigger idea. This is a nice aesthetic. I like the 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 PS1 graphics. Yeah, don't hurry with the project. Yeah. Sound design in this game is insane. Do I only use GameMaker or do I also venture into Unity and such? I used to make games in Flash. Then I moved on to Hexflixel. Then I moved on to GameMaker. I have actually tried a bit of Unity. And I feel like if I were to make something in 3D, right, I would totally use Unity. But for 2D, I tend towards GameMaker because I think it's more streamlined. Yeah. The very first Binding of Isaac was made in Flash. Yes, that's true. The very first one. Yeah, for 2D, it's so good, right? GameMaker. It's so streamlined. It makes everything very easy for you, which is what I love. (3D) Yeah. Are you planning to work on any 3D titles in the future? Yeah, I feel like for me 3D is one of the things that I would only try after I have published enough games. Yeah, I don't feel like I have published enough yet. And because like polishing 3D titles it takes a lot more effort. It's a lot more time consuming to make the assets as well. Yeah, not to mention I totally suck at Blender. Okay, how do I do a sequence of twins? Definitely, but since your girlfriend helps you with a lot of the art, and she's not into 3D, so you wanna focus on 2D titles more right now. Ah, I see. Looking forward to more. Is it this one? Twin more? I think it's twin more. Chain various twins to fire one after another. Yes. Got it. Oh yes, twin more. That's the one. Okay, twin more it is. My project looks spicy. Hey, thanks, man. Thank you. I try to, as much as possible, I want to try and get this one done, so I can move on to my next one. I want to, I don't know if it's too early to say this, but I feel like my next project will have something to do with centipedes. Like, I tried to start a project like featuring centipedes, but I couldn't quite figure out the gameplay. But I feel like I can return to it, right, and then maybe revamp the gameplay. So I wrote this centipede thingy, and I think I want to make a game with this. Let me see if I can get this to run. There you go, there's a centipede. Woo! Yeah, I want to try making a game with this. I'm not sure if I can get it to work though. Oh man, creepy crawly. Yeah, I want to, make people's skin crawl, when they see like a whole bunch of centipedes crawling towards them or something. So originally the idea was that I wanted to make a game where you play as a centipede and you have to kill the other centipedes in the nest. But I couldn't quite figure out the combat. The combat was a bit difficult to figure out. Because of the the long bodies, what happens if you bite a centipede in the stomach, right? Can you drag it about? How do I implement the physics for that? So I couldn't quite figure that out, or rather I'm taking too long to figure those things out. So I decided to put the project on hold. Yeah, but I think I want to return to it and make it simpler. So instead of you playing as a centipede, right, you just play as a guy having to shoot giant centipedes. Maybe. Is that a shader? Oh, it's not a shader. It's actually very it's way simpler than you think. Let me show you. So these are the parts of the centipede. Alright, this is the what do you call that? The antenna, I guess. Right, that's the tail end. So the rest of the centipede is just drawn with circle. Let me see, where is it? Make new segment. Player segment. Hang on, I forgot how I implemented this. It's been a long time. Hang on. Yeah. So basically, I'm just if you notice, right, I'm just drawing circle for each segment. So I'm drawing multiple circles, right, and chaining them together. And then I have to write some code to make sure that every single body part is tracing the path left by the parent. Yeah, a parent meaning the segment in front is the parent. Yeah. Shooting them, they split out and become two. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, I can try that. I can try that. Yeah. So that's just what I'm thinking about at the moment. Like when I finish Jam Jerboa, I might want to revisit the centipede idea. Yeah. Not sure if I will actually end up doing it though. I'm still thinking about it. Because like I've been like switching between different ideas. You know, like what do I want to do for my next project? Originally, I was thinking maybe I want to do some kind of a memory-based RPG game. You know those memory game where you have to match two cards. I was thinking I want that mechanic, but in an RPG. But that requires a lot of art assets, and I'm not a trained artist, so maybe I should go for something a little bit more minimalistic. Yeah. So yeah, that's where the centipede comes in. Right, because like since I'm not a trained artist, like if I have to do anything art related, it takes me a long time, and then sometimes I couldn't even get it to look right. So, I tend towards making things a bit more minimalistic. Twin more. Let me see, twin more. Hey, thanks, man. Thanks for the interest. Twin target is ID. Oh, I can just paste this here. Twin target is mode delta. Okay, yeah, everything is the same. So instead of ease out back, it's ease in back now. Oh hey, thanks! Thanks 1AM train. See you, man. See you. Hope to see you soon. Mm-hmm. 0 to maybe -10. Not 1 second this time around. 0.5 seconds will do. I think that's enough. Is that enough? Yeah, let's try this. Oh wait, when I'm done, there's a twin on finish, right? Twin finish. Twin finish. Is it this one? I need to look at the documentation. Twin finish. This is where I include the callback, right? Oh no, it's not. It immediately finishes the indicated twin. Wait. How do I add the callback for when it's done? On finish? No. Finish. It's not what I want to do though. Oops, hang on, let me check my message. Twin. Oh, excuse me. Sorry for my slowness today. Ah, there we go. Twin add callback. There we go. Add callback. Twin. Do I have to? Let me check. twin more. Oh, I have to assign a new twin, I guess. There we go. Twin finish. Target is ID. Screed. Can I do this? Can I do this? Will this work? Oh man, I wonder. You know what? It's okay. Guess I can do this. I'm not sure if this works, to be honest. Like, I'm not sure about the scope of this. Like, what's the scope here? I have no idea. Guess I can do this. If I'm worried about the scope, I'll do this. There you go. That should work. Okay. It would be funny if the only thing I do, right, is just to twin in an arrow for the string. If that's the only thing I do for this string. Okay, now that I have this, I should spawn it. Let's try this out. I actually don't know if I can just destroy the thing. Would it work? Oh my god, that was terrible. Did you see that? Oh, right. I put it in the wrong place. Ah! It's not this one. Goodness. Same key 2. Not this one. Under this, no. This one here. Probably did it this away. This work? Hang on, there should be some space above the key, so I'm gonna put a -10. I think that should work actually. Go to 94. Okay, so when I collect this key, right, something is supposed to appear here. Let's see if that works. Oh my god, what's up with the Oh, I get it. Key is not centered, so what I can do is this. Let's get the center by taking the average of these two positions. Let's divide by 2 or times 0.5, either one works. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let's go. Okay, I need to watch this one. I guess it's not that good, is it? It's a bit too slow. -10 is also a bit too much. Let's try -5 instead. I'm going to make the thing twin in a bit faster as well, so 0.5 and 0.25. Okay. Probably needs a delay or something. Let's add a delay of say like 0.5. There we go. -5 seems like it's still a bit too much. Why is that? -2? Oh, I know why. That's because the origin of the key is right at the top, not at the center. Let's try this again. I guess that works. I'm gonna try another thing. When it starts playing, when Twin 2 starts playing, I am going to... Let me see if writing an anonymous function works or not. So I'm gonna try setting a state, setting a variable. One means two. Start fade. Oh. Okay. Don't know if this works, but let me just try this. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, it didn't crash, right? So I'm going to assume it works. All I'm going to do, right, is if the state is equals to 1, I will have to update image alpha. I guess I can do something like this. If image alpha is equals to 1, you know, I'll do something here. Otherwise, image alpha will be 1. Now what is that something here? This is supposed to map. This value is supposed to be mapped from m offset. So it's supposed to go from 0 to -10. I guess I can just do a map range here. Map range. Going to map the range from, say, 0 to -10. When it's -10, right, alpha is supposed to be 0. So let's see, I want to map the range 0 -10 to 1 to 0. And now I need to pass in the time in there. Or what is that called? Interpollant? I need to pass that in there. Time to pass it in. That would be the m offset itself. Something like that. Map 0 -10 to 1 to 0. And let's try it out. Let's see if that works. It should work, I think. It should work. Okay. Yeah, it works. It's fading out, right? It's not just me, right? I hope it's not just me. Yeah, it's fading out. Why am I choosing the hardest level to test this? Not this one either. It's a bit close, don't you think? The way the key, the way the arrow spawns in is a little bit too close, I think. -3 then. One more pixel above should look about right. Just one more pixel should do the trick. I hope. Ooh, what's that music? I think I know what's missing. It needs to flicker like hell. Let me try that. It needs to flicker like hell. Let me think. I'm making this too messy. You know what? Just do everything in a single line. Try this. It's flickering every single frame. Nah, it's flickering way too much. Try every 5 frames then. Maybe I shouldn't be making it frame based. Okay. Let's see. Doesn't feel right. Something about it doesn't feel quite right. That doesn't really... The flickering is a bit weird, isn't it? So I said 20 frames. Oh, wait a minute. Oh man, oh no, what am I doing? Oh no. Oh well. Hang on. Gonna drink some water. Okay. This is creating member variables left and right. Okay. Flicker state. Okay. 0.7. 0.5. See if that works properly. Yeah, okay, that's better. Better. Maybe it shouldn't be that faded out. It was a bit weird just now, right, when the arrow appears here. Oh crap. Guess it's a bit better now. Still not good, still not perfect though. I guess I can close one eye on this. Trying to see if I think this is okay or not. You know what? This is good enough. It's good enough. Good enough. Try this again. It should destroy itself if the key that it's pointing to is collected. Let's do an M owner. Nothing is ever that straightforward, eh? Guess this would do. This should work. This should work. Okay. One equals to other. If instant, the thing I'm not sure about is it safe for me to destroy an object right while the twin while the twin for that object is still running? That's the thing that I'm not sure about. Guess I'm about to find out. Not this level. Not this level. This one. Yeah, I guess it works. I can just destroy it. Let's try again. Let's try again. Seems to work fine. You know what? I don't like that it travels 20 pixels. I think 20 pixels is a bit too much. Let me tweak it a bit. 20 pixels a bit too much, isn't it? Minus 20. Let's try 15. You know, I know that I've barely done anything, right? I spent the whole stream just on one single arrow, but I think I'm gonna call it after this works. Yeah, because I need to prepare for work tomorrow. It's a bit better, right? 20 pixels is a bit too much. 15 seems better. Seems to work. Is that it? Am I done? I think I'm done. I'm done. I created an arrow. Took me like more than an hour to add an arrow. Amazing. Should I do something else before I go? Let me think. No, I shouldn't, right? I have work tomorrow. I have work tomorrow. I have work tomorrow. Well then, let me see. Let me take a look at my Trello. Show the arrow, make one level. Show the arrow. I've already shown the arrow though. Make one level. Make one level, eh? Fixed level 77, already fixed. Ghost key done. Ghost key done. One level. You weren't here? Ah, I see. Hang on, eh? Not sure. Maybe I'll make that level tomorrow or something. It's a bit late. There you go. So the arrow is like this. So if you collect the key, you see the arrow pointing to the next one that appeared. A simple arrow. But I guess it's important in that you need it to differentiate like which one is the last key. Or rather you need it to, how do I put it? To draw the player's eye to the right location. Ah, crap. It's the last one. Let's try this one out. Oops, almost died. Damn it. Levels with moving platform is always a bit harder than the rest, I feel. Okay. Guess that's it. Do I have a level idea? Let me see. Do I have an idea for a level? Well, actually I don't. I don't have any other new ones. Yeah, I guess I have to think about more levels. I need to think about 8 more levels actually. 8 more levels and I will have reached my goal of 99 levels in total. Let's see. These are my levels that I have left, right? So I've used all this already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. Delete rows. I've used these last 2 rows as well. So I only have 1 level left, and I need to make 8 more. And they have to all fit in the World 11. No, that's not easy, is it? You know what? I'll think about it. Maybe I'll sketch it out before sleep. Yeah, that's it. I think I'll call it. I did not manage to do a lot today. But you know, every little bit of progress helps. So 8 more levels before I'm content complete. Let's aim for that. Anyways, thanks for hanging around. Thanks. And hope to see you all again soon. Let me just lower the volume of the music. Yeah, okay. Thanks everyone. I'll be back to work on my game again very soon. See you.